In this video, I am going to show you how to change app icon on Telegram. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, now you can see how my current app icon for Telegram looks like. And then just hit on it to open up Telegram, and now here hit on settings. There, tap on appearance. And here scroll down for a bit until it says app icon, and now you can select any icon from that list. There are a bunch of different Telegram icons and also 3 premium icons. Now I can simply tap on any icon to change it to that icon that I have just selected. Now I can hop out Telegram, and as you can see, there is a new icon now. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.